Let me share the screen once again. And this time I'm going to show you the different curves that we need to know before we start off with this different kinds of curves and how this help in drawing. This is known as the right open curve, and you have the left open curve, you have the top open curve, which you recognize as the letter U, and you have the bottom open curve and closed curve. And this is lines. When you draw a horizontal line, you start from left to right, and you draw a vertical line is always from top to bottom. Top to bottom. And yes, you should hold your pencil such that you're holding it not here, but here, somewhere in the middle, so that your lines will come more lighter and will not put any pressure on your paper that you're drawing. That those are the 5 curves which you need to remember when you draw anything. And now I'm going to move on to the next one. What can we do with these curves? I showed you an example how we can make flowers and tree or clouds and tree. Now I'm going to take only this and I'm going to make you recall what you see around you. Example, this could be a big top open curve and a cup. If I double this lines, you can have it as a cup, you can have it as a mug too. Now let us say this top open curve, I give it a different, I stretched out much more, and here I have a totally different bowl. Now let us take, now you all look at constructions around you and you wonder in which they carry their cement and mix, etc. Here you have the cement basket in which the mixed cement and sand is carried. Now let us go to the fun time, fun with Festival of Lights, and then you have something like this known as a lamp. Yes. You see most of them using this, which is known as diyas, to light up during, using it as a decoration during Festival of Lights or Diwali or Deepavali, as is known as in Indian languages. Now let me pause this and move on to the next part of it. And let me share the screen. Now, isn't this fun that when we use this as a part of drawing and how it's, because drawing starts with only things like a dot, a dot, a dash, and a line. And we also have curves like this, wavy lines, zigzag lines, etc. that forms a part of drawing. But let me introduce you to how we can have fun with alphabets and numbers. Now, friends, let me draw the apple for you. All of you recognize this letter, this number 5. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to join, see here, complete the apple. Isn't this fun? Now, let me take the number 1 and I'm going to draw a lollipop here, something which you see. A lollipop, it could be a poppins, it could be a chocolate. You can just change the way you draw this with the letter 1. Chocolate could be like this. It could be an ice cream stick too, ice cream candy, and you have the letter V. During summer, we do miss the ice cream cones, right? We love to have them, and here we have the ice cream cone. It's just any drawing that you need to do, you need to have practice. Since online drawing is not my field, I'm taking some time to practice that. And yes, let me draw the top open curve now. And all of you are fond of having juices during the summer, and here we have the top open curve in a glass. And you just have to draw the line and you fill in the multicolor layer of juices that you want. At the same time, when you do this, you get practice with lines. You also learn, have fun. And then you have the yes. Now, all of us love this is examination time, and most of them will be aiming to come first in class. And here we're also allowed to get trophies. And here, let me draw this for you. Simple, fun activities for little kids aged 4 to 6. Now you can just change the way this looks. Two handles, and in between, can have it as a big trophy. You can have the same thing as decorative candles, the top open curve, and yes, lovely birthday candles. You can shape them just like this or with numbers. Let's say it's 2 years and you have it as a 2 double line and you have the cake drawn down and cake, and this will be the candy. And then we have the butterfly, the number 3, and you just use that, you know. And you can have a lot of fun using numbers, alphabets, and lines. Thank you. Let's meet in the next class where a lot of other things, including how to draw your own house, will be taught to you. Thank you. Hope you liked this class and you enjoyed it. And tomorrow and next class, we'll continue with much more fun activities with curves, alphabets, and numbers. Thank you.